Hi guys, I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a mermaid wave with the Dyson Corrale. What you'll need is your Dyson Corrale and also some sectioning clips and also a brush or a comb just to brush your hair through. So with your Corrale, the way to turn it on is pressing the center button. It will then come up with the plus and minus. So if you just press the plus, it will come up with what heat setting you want to set it at. It's 165, 185 and 210 degrees. 165 degrees is really good for people with naturally quite fine hair. 185 degrees is really good for people with naturally wavy hair. And then 210 degrees is really good for people with naturally really curly hair. So I'm going to go for 185 degrees because my hair has got a lot of natural movement through it, and then we'll go from there. So once you set your Corrale at the heat that you desire, so if your hair is naturally straight, 165 degrees, if your hair is naturally wavy, 185 degrees, and then 210 for naturally really curly hair. What we're going to do next is we're going to section our hair. So I recommend doing it in the hot cross bun pattern, so sectioning from behind the ear, twisting that and keeping that out of the way, and then going to the opposite side exactly the same, twisting that, keeping that out of the way, and then with the back exactly the same, straight down the back into two, and then taking that bottom section. So I wouldn't take drastically big sections, but just enough. Perfect. So it's about an inch section. What we're going to do is bring our Corrale in horizontally. We're then going to twist 180 degrees, and then we're going to twist the opposite way, 180 degrees. I'm going to continue this down the hair until we run out. Perfect. And then the same the opposite side. Perfect. And then we're going to work our way up. So taking our next section, bringing in horizontally into the centre of our plates, 180, twist, bring it down slightly, bring it down slightly, and then just on the very ends, making sure that they go under. Perfect. Lovely. So the quicker you do this, is actually the better it looks. So once you've got the technique, the quicker you move, the better the result. There's a knot there. So I'm just going to take this top bit, keep that out of the way. The end. Bring this in, just move a bit quicker this time. Perfect. Missed a little bit there. Lovely. Perfect. So then we've just got that last bit at the top to do. So with your Corrale, it's 50% less damaging to the hair, so you won't be causing as much heat damage as you would with a normal straightener. So it has flexing plates that gather the hair together to make sure that you're not causing as much heat damage and mechanical damage, which is perfect, especially as we like to use our straighteners normally on like a daily basis or even at least once a week. This is a nice, quick, easy technique. So if you have a rush, if you're in a rush, to go somewhere, it's really quick to do and feel glamorous. So now onto the sides. Just take those down. Just going to take this into 2 or 3 sections. So just going across, getting out of the way, taking that side section, bringing it in as close to the root as you feel comfortable with, and then the same technique. Perfect. Exactly the same this side. Perfect. So with this side, I'm going to just do this whole section, but with this side, because there's a bit more hair, I'm just going to take that back into another section. So, close to the roots I feel comfortable with, twisting, going down that hair. Perfect. Doesn't matter if you accidentally go over bits of hair, because of that 50% less damage, you don't have to worry about damaging your hair. Lovely. As you can see, it makes the hair really glossy and really shiny because of those plates. So I'm going to bring it close to the root again, my last section. This is a really nice look all year round as well, especially for the summer though. It's a nice beach wavy look. So I'm just going to turn my Corrale off and lock it into place and pop it down with its heatproof mat. As you can see, it's a really quick, really lovely, soft, natural look, slightly mermaidy, and it took no time at all. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!